Hi, this is Mike Haber. Thanks for asking me why should I hire a private criminal defense lawyer. Before I answer, let me shout out to David Letterman, and please allow me a slight, although relevant, digression to list the top 10 PD complaints. 1. My PD doesn't return my phone calls. My PD doesn't visit me often enough. My PD isn't fighting for me. My PD doesn't spend enough time on my case. My PD isn't prepared. My PD makes me wait. My PD tries to force me to take a plea. My PD won't do what I ask. My PD has an attitude with me. My PD doesn't believe me. In any given case, some or all of these complaints may be true, but it's a sad fact that far too many private criminal defense lawyers are equally, if not more guilty of these very same fails than their court-appointed counterparts. I assure you it's not easy to get hired or to stay employed as a public defender. It takes brains, ethics, effort, and commitment to get the job, and even more to keep it. In contrast to private lawyers, who in the criminal defense arena anyhow, almost all work for themselves, have no employer, and are thus self-accountable, whereas public defenders have to answer through multiple layers of supervision. Believe it or not, a lot of private lawyers are either intellectually or practically inferior to their public defender counterparts. Some simply lack the skill, training, and experience. Others just don't care. And then there are those contemptuous few whose primary motive is to maximize fee collection while providing the least possible amount of effort. These asshats subscribe to the disgusting adage, bleed 'em and plead 'em. The point is this: if you qualify for the services of the public defender, then you're likely to get a competent, qualified, dedicated defender of liberty who knows the law, the rules, the tendency of their assigned judges, prosecutors, and other instrumental court personnel, and who bring vast resources to the table like investigators and experts without any expense. On the other hand, when you hire private criminal defense counsel, that can be a crapshoot. The best advice that I can offer you is to fully vet any proposed private lawyer before you sign a contract and write a check. Read their client reviews. Ask for prior client references who you can call and discuss their experience with the lawyer. Press them for specifics during the consultation. Make sure that you feel entirely comfortable with the lawyer's demeanor and level of knowledge. But in the end, know that any of those top 10 PD complaints can just as easily apply to private criminal defense lawyers as public defenders. That said, I thank you for your question. I appreciate your having asked it. Please remember that at Haber PA, it's all about reasonable doubt. And if you like this video, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll be putting out more soon.